The XR Easy Cloud offers the possibility to cooperate in VR, meaning you can participate in a VR session with 2 or more people. Inspired by the gaming industry, we call this co-op in VR. What's ingenious is that colleagues or business partners can join a VR session quite spontaneously, even without a license, no matter whether via the computer screen or with their own VR headset. It doesn't matter if they are in the same room or on the other side of the world. The requirements are A stable internet connection, B, the use of the same software version of XR Easy, C, access to the same 3D model, and D, the same session ID, which is generated and distributed by the host of the virtual meeting. VR sessions are suitable for joint testing and meetings on 3D models, especially for customer presentations, workshops with colleagues, or supplier and project presentations. They enable an immersive live display of the original 3D CAD models. In the VR room, all participants can see and experience the product or the planning as if it were real, since they are standing in front of a one-to-one version with real dimensions and actual proportions. The collaboration platform can either run via the XR Easy Cloud at the internationally active provider Exit Games, or be hosted on a company-internal on-premise server. To ensure that no CAD data is leaked to third parties, the XRV model must be stored locally by all participating individuals. A co-op session is quick and easy to set up, similar to an online meeting via Microsoft Teams or Zoom. All participants can join via session ID and immediately start working together. In some cases, the VR applications are also used in parallel with Teams or Zoom to document the meeting results as usual, including video recording and screenshots.